here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. Got another diamond painting unboxing for you. I just did another one from this company. Oh look, this is what fell on the floor before. There is a separate package of these stainless steel tweezers. So not only did I get a nice kit, here it is again, with a dark green boat, a big chunk of wax, a pen with a 1 and a 6 tip, as well as bags, a big stack of bags, and labels this time. But that tweezer is down on the floor from my last kit, so that makes me happy. What else is in here? Another toolkit. They sent me 2 toolkits in this box. With a 1 and a 6 placer, green boat, a light green boat this time, pink wax, and bags. I was trying to peek to see if maybe there was an inventory sheet. But no. So, okay, well, all this with one kit. Isn't that nice? I think the tweezers, my favorite, are still the Ever Moment tweezers. I have them right here, and I can show you that the tip is very pointy, like a hypodermic needle pointy. And ask me how I know that. Slid it very neatly into the skin on my finger once. I made a tiny, tiny little wound. But like a paper cut, of course, it hurt like the dickens. So, I'm good like that. If I can hurt myself somehow, I will. Okay, this is a floral. And in the picture I have, it's called Violet Flowers. Now here they look very pink. I don't know, I'm not too happy. For this size, this is, what is it, 40 by 60? I don't think that should be so pixelated. That doesn't make me happy. I mean, look at the vine over here. It's single colors, not even in a fluid line. Really, for as big as this is a bad picture. You know, some pictures, when you go to blow them up, the resolution is so low that it makes it look blurry, and if you try to sharpen it, you can sharpen it with Photoshop, but it will then come out pixelated. Some pictures, if the resolution is too low, you just shouldn't use it. When I see a diamond painting that's this size, and it's this pixelated and kind of grainy looking, I'm not impressed. And the last one by them was the fairy with the moon. That one looked great. This one, no, I'm not happy. No inventory, just a grid on here. No inventory sheet, rather, with numbers 1 through 24. This size, and it's only 24 colors. The other one I had this size had like 54 colors, which was crazy, but okay. It has the symbol, and it has the DMC number. Now, even the thumbnail, to me, looks very, very pink. Now, I'll put the image up so you can see how the original looked. I mean, it's called Violet Flowers. Violet Flower. I changed it to Violet Flowers. And I was even thinking that what a funny name. Why would I know they're using violet as a color, But violets are a flower. So violet flower and it's not violets. Just seems a little weird to me. This is going to be on the bottom of my pile. If I do it at all, I may just give it away. Because I can overlook so much. Don't give me an inventory sheet. That's fine. Don't give me paper on top. You want to use plastic? That's fine. But don't send me a pixelated diamond painting. Not when I paid good money to get a 40 by 60. That's much bigger than what I normally get. Let's see if the colors redeem them at all. Well, they're pretty. There's the violet and the little darker purple. There's quite a bit of violet in here. So these colors are very pretty. I like the colors. So let me zip through the inventory. Okay, all finished. I'm sitting here thinking maybe I was just a little bit too harsh on them. But I think I'd have to do some of this to see how it's going to come out. But, you know, I've seen enough of these to know how it's going to look just by looking at the shading. There's no shading on that. It's just blocks of color. So I guess we'll see, you know. This is why I do the unboxing, so that you can look at it with me and make up your own mind. Here, let me just show you again. I'm noticing it mostly in the pot. See how straight lines that is? Or if you look at the green, it's like dark green, medium green, and then white. There's no shading. Pictures aren't supposed to look like that. This huge big area of one color and then it switches to another color very abruptly. The colors aren't blended, or you know, there aren't a lighter color peppered in there or anything. It's just very blocky. So you make up your own mind. And hey, if you like my videos, hit like. And don't forget to subscribe. If you hit the bell, then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And come join us on Facebook. I'll put the information up at the end. Along with probably some videos of BB and Charlie. Since they're not making appearances in the videos, I'm putting in little snippets of them at the end. And you have a great day. Happy diamond painting, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Wow, look at Charlie jumping. That's